Is it a big one?
Yeah.
It's a good one?
Yeah. Well, maybe we should have brought the nets.
Maybe you should be using your bigger pole.
That sounds good.
Ooh, babe. That's a good size one.
Real good size.
Woo, woo, woo.
Kiki. Golly.
Jeez, babe.
Dang.
What do you want me to do?
Maybe we need one of those big old gap hook things.
Golly, that's a big one.
You did good, babe. Oh, yeah. Okay. Did you put any bait on it?
Yeah.
It's awesome, babe.
I don't think I have any pliers.
No, don't let him flip back in there.
It's okay, he's got a big old hook in him.
Oh,
You go get some pliers.
okay. Sorry, bud, you're not going anywhere. Babe, I got you reeling it in on camera.
Let me throw that one back or what?
No, keep that.
Okay. You gonna take a picture of him?
Yeah. I just holding on to the pole because he got back in the water.
He's big.
Yeah, that's a good size cat.
He bit the shit out of my thumb.
They tend to be pretty good at doing that.
You want me to take a picture now?
Yeah.